Alright guys, so welcome back. This is going to be just a quick update video. There's still nothing to do with the wheel horse yet because I'm still waiting for things to get done. So let me run you through what happened. So 3 weeks ago, or a month ago now actually, I've dropped off my engine block to the machine shop, and you guys already know it, but they messed up on my first batch of valve guides. So then I reordered them on September the 29th, and we're still waiting for them. It's October the 12th now. I don't know where my valve guides are, but they have not arrived yet, and it's really driving me crazy. I know it's driving you guys crazy too, because there's been no videos on the wheel horse in over a month and a half. And I apologize it's taking so long, but it's not my fault. It's just the United States Postal Service has messed up on my order. That's who's delivering my valve guides. The first time they got it here in 3 days, and then the machine shop messed up on it. And the second time I ordered it, it's taken 3 weeks to get here. They're still not here yet. So I'll give you guys an update when we finally get the valve guides and we get the engine block ready. All these leaves on my car, I can't stand seeing that. I hope you'll be looking forward to the next video, which is hopefully going to be assembling the wheel horse engine. Stay tuned.